Seasons, greetings, creative. Let's get decorating. Here are the simple supplies you're going to need. Any color pool noodle works for this craft. And since we're making a mini wreath, that's why I'm folding it, because we're just going to use half of it. And you may hear my voice crack now and again. It's just because I'm getting over a cold. I do not recommend using a scissors for this, but at the time I couldn't find my other cutters, so I had to use what was available. In order to get that wreath-like shape, you're going to secure it with skewers or a toothpick. I had to break these in half because they were too long for the mini wreath, but if you were making a larger wreath with the full size of the pool noodles, I do recommend that you use the longer skewer. Afterwards, I'm just going to tape that around in order to secure it. This really does help make sure that it doesn't pop off. And I think pool noodles are much more economic than buying the wreaths, because you can make mini wreaths or larger wreaths depending on whatever size you want. I loved the way this turned out. I love the blinginess of it. I'm not sure that's a word, but I love the blinginess of this. Okay, it turned out awesome.